Special garlic chutney. If you are a spicy food lover, you will enjoy this recipe. This recipe is extra spicy and tasty. Let's move to the video. In a bowl, take 18 dry red chillies. Add hot water and soak for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, it becomes soft. Drain the water and keep it for later use. In a pan, take 1 tablespoon oil and heat it. Then add 15 to 18 garlic cloves, 1 inch size ginger and saute it for 3 minutes. Then add the dry red chillies and saute it for another 3 minutes. Now transfer it into a grinder jar. Add 1 teaspoon sugar, 3/4 teaspoon salt and grind it into a thick paste form. In a pan, take 1 tablespoon oil. Add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds and wait until it splutters. Then add half teaspoon cumin seeds, wait until it splutters. Then add 1/4 teaspoon Asafoetida powder. And add red chili garlic paste. Mix it well. Saute it for 2 minutes.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
After 2 minutes, switch off the flame. Our red chili garlic chutney is ready. This is a very spicy chutney. You can have it with any type of foods. You can also store it for a long time.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.